Do you speak English but still hesitate in meetings, freeze during presentations, or struggle to find the right words during discussions? Here's the crazy thing. To be fluent in up to 80% of workplace communication, you only need about 2,000 key business English words. I built something that helps you do exactly that. Hi, I'm V2, and I've spent years helping professionals communicate with clarity, confidence, and impact. That's why I created Business English with V2, a practical course designed for real workplace communication, not textbook theory, and powered by our 2,000-word fluency system that helps you master the language professionals actually use. If you want to speak naturally in meetings, express your ideas smoothly, write professional emails, negotiate, present, and communicate like a confident international professional, this course is for you. The program is organized into 12 essential business English units, covering everything you need at work: communication, corporate culture, finance and economics, human resources, legal and compliance, management, marketing and sales, meetings and presentations, operations, projects and planning, sales and negotiation, technology and IT. Each unit teaches the vocabulary, expressions, and language patterns used in real business situations. You'll learn through clear vocabulary lists, real scenario videos, and our curated 2,000-word fluency system built around the words and expressions that drive 80% of business English. Plus, each unit includes comprehensive quizzes and practical exercises to help you retain the vocabulary and actually use it at work. This course doesn't just teach you vocabulary, it teaches you how professionals actually speak in meetings, emails, presentations, and everyday communication. And here's what makes this course different. In addition to our 2,000-word fluency system, we also offer monthly live webinars where you can review key vocabulary with me, practice real workplace scenarios, and ask questions and get live coaching to stay consistent and motivated. By the end, you'll speak more fluently, participate in discussions without hesitation, and express your ideas clearly and confidently every single day at work. Start with the words that matter.